time to get ice cream based on one of the best candies at the Queen of Dairy. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a Big C TV Taste Test. My name is Chris. Today I'm here at Dairy Queen. We're going to be trying the Sour Patch Kids Blizzard. It's their Blizzard of the month for July, and I'm excited to try it. So let us find out how good it really is. Alright, so this is the Sour Patch Kids Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's got pieces of Sour Patch Kid in it, mixed up for the Blizzard. Sounds great. Let's see how it is. Bottoms up. So, the ice cream kind of tastes like red berry, which I appreciate. The little chunks of Sour Patch Kids are pretty good. I will say, though, I like the Sour Patch Kids ice cream that I tried before a little bit better because of that swirl of that red berry-like ribbon. It's pretty good, though. So if you're a fan of Sour Patch Kids, I would say give this a shot. It's a nice summer treat to take a break from the heat outside. Pretty solid, actually, so give it a shot. It's available at Dairy Queen in the month of July. That's it for this Taste Test adventure. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.